Hello, everybody. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. और पढ़ाई जोरों शोरों से चल रही है, I hope. So today we are going to start with 7.3 CBSE Board Grade 12 integration का third exercise is 7.3. 7.3 exercise is completely based on trigonometry. This is 7.3 exercise. Uska explanation first we will see the explanation. But before we go ahead with the explanation, we will just revise the formulas. Okay, the entire exercise is based on trigonometry. So we will first see the formulas on trigonometry, which we are going to use in this particular chapter. Otherwise, also we have to use it. But for this particular chapter, we need them a lot, and we will see how to solve sums using these formulas, correct? So let's start. So first is that what is cos x plus cos y? Cos x plus cos y. What is cos x plus cos y? Is equal to cos x. ये सारा 11th में हो चुका है, लेकिन 11th में बहुत मस्ती किया तो आपको ये याद नहीं रहेगा. Sin x, sin y. Okay. Second is cos x minus y. Cos x minus y. That is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Third one, sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. ये लाइन थोड़ी हटा देते हैं, बाद में we will bring it closer. Okay. Question number 4, sorry, fourth क्या है? Sin x minus y. Sin x minus y. Sin x minus y क्या है? Sin x cos y. Sin x cos y minus, देखो ये minus है तो Sine का formulas are normally very easy to remember. They are not very complicated. Cos, yeah, cos. I think a lot of students say that cos is a bad boy. क्योंकि जहाँ पे भी cos, wherever you have cos, it kind of something or the other is not going good there. Okay. Tan x plus y is equal to what? This is equal to tan x plus tan y. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. तो फिर tan x minus y. Tan x minus y क्या आएगा? It's easy. आप अगर हर एक, if you see each and every formula, you will actually realize that there is a pattern. If you try to remember the formulas with the help of pattern, this is going to be really very easy. If you try to see every formula in isolation, then it's going to be a challenge, correct? So I suggest that, sorry, यहाँ से that's my bad. ये माइनस है और ये प्लस है, करेक्ट? क्योंकि ऊपर प्लस है तो नीचे माइनस, ऊपर माइनस है तो नीचे प्लस. tan x tan y, राइट? ये बहुत बेसिक फॉर्मूलाज है. ये तो आई थिंक a lot of kids बार बार लिख के, and see the best way to write or remember formulas, I always tell all my students that you can actually speaking remember these formulas not by hearting but by writing them every time you write the sum, every time you use them in questions. That's the best way to write it, correct? So let's go to the next page. I hope all of you have copied this out. Nobody takes a screenshot. थोड़ा effort ले लो और लिखो. I think that's the best way to do it, correct? Okay. Now let's see. We have, which is this formula, which was sixth one. So let us write the seventh one. Seventh is going to be cos 2x. Cos 2x के बहुत रूप है. कैसे? Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Then cos 2x is also equal to what? Cos 2x is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Then cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Then cos 2x is also equal to 1 plus tan square x by 1 minus tan square x. From here, actually, you can derive couple of formulas. Kaise? So let us take this. This is equal to cos 2x. See, you have cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x, correct? 2 cos square x minus 1. Now 2 cos square x minus 1. Now can we find out? See, that means we can say cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. That means cos 2x plus 1 by 2 will give you the value of what? It will give you cos square x. Correct? That means with one formula, you can find out few more. We use this a lot. We use this a lot in the sums that we are going to solve. Let us see what we are getting from this. We have cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. That means cos 2x. See, okay, let's do one thing to avoid complications. We are going to switch places of cos and sine. So we'll take it here and we will shift it there, correct? So it will be easy to understand. Otherwise, minus, again, that will be a trouble. So we can say 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x, correct? So then sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Correct? I hope everybody is getting it. So from this 2, we can derive the two more formulas. So we use this a lot to replace cos or sine को replace करने के लिए. Correct? Okay. What is the eighth one now? Eighth formula we have sine 2x. Just cos 2x, we have sine 2x. Double angle formula. We call them as what? Double angle formula. This is equal to sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. And sine 2x, there is another way of writing sine 2x. क्या है वो? That is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Correct? And then we also have tan 2x. Tan 2x क्या है? वो भी double angle formula है ना? Triple angle formula will go to the next page. Correct? So tan 2x. Tan 2x. Tan 2x is equal to what? 2 tan x. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Correct? So these are the double angle formulas. So now let's see what are triple angle formulas. I hope everybody should write it down. Nobody will take a screenshot. ठीक है, स्क्रीनशॉट मत लेना. स्क्रीनशॉट हमेशा ऐसे ही रहता है फोन में, कभी भी वो दिमाग में नहीं जाता है. नेवर टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके, चलो, let's do the ninth one. Ninth one I think we did already. Yeah, ninth we did double angle formulas. So let's do the 10th one. 10th one क्या करेंगे? Triple angle formulas. Triple angle formula क्या है? Sin 3x. Sin 3x. Sin 3x is what? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. फिर cos 3x. Cos 3x क्या है? Cos 3x is equal to उल्टा 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. फिर you have tan 3x. Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x. 3 tan x 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 3 कर देते हैं 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan x tan square x, sorry 3 tan square x, correct. फिर then this is double angle formula, ट्रिपल एंगल फॉर्मूला. ट्रिपल एंगल फॉर्मूला सी वी cos square x हमने निकाला था, एक डेरिवेशन करते हैं. We use that a lot. After we do this, we will so we use that one, the derivation, the one that we did here, where we derived cos square x का value in form of cos 2x and sin square x in form of cos 2x. So we will see how we can then use that, because one part of that is used a lot in integration, which I should have actually showed you on this page, but it's fine, we can do it on this page. So we take it, so we have cos square x, क्या आया अपना देखो, we had cos square x, so half angle formula भी बोल सकते हैं हम, okay, is equal to cos 2x plus 1 by 2. Okay, now half angle formula में that means this angle is becoming half, correct. अगर ये half हो रहा है तो सारा angle half हो जाएगा. That means you have to divide all the sides by 2, correct. That means we can take this as what? We can take this as cos square x by 2. We will divide all the angles. It's going to be cos 2x by 2 plus 1. यही एक angle है, बाकी कोई भी angle नहीं है, correct. तो आउटकम कितना आएगा इसका? This will be cos square, half angle formula है ये, is equal to cos x plus 1 by 2, correct. और दूसरा we had what? We had the sin square x. Sin square x क्या था? We had sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So we're going to take sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and the whole by 2. So ये 2 और ये 2 will cancel and we have sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x. Half angle formulas है, but nothing great about it, correct. I hope you guys are understanding. So this is triple angle. We had a single angle formula, double angle formulas, half angle formulas, triple angle formulas, all of this. If you write this 2-3 times, otherwise also you'll remember at least 50% of it, and the remaining 50% you will remember when you write them, when you apply them in the sums. So that's the best method to remember, correct. Now let us see what are addition to product formulas. These are addition to product formulas. So कैसे? For example, we have cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y, that is equal to 2 cos x. अच्छा, इसमें ना we'll do one thing. We'll write down all the, you'll see there's a pattern. I'll write them down in pattern so you'll remember them. पहले तो cos x plus cos y, then we will take cos x minus cos y. Then let's take sin x plus sin y. And fourth one, we will take sin x minus sin y, correct. There is definitely a pattern if you want to remember this. So initially, so everybody will have a 2. All the answers will begin with 2, correct. अच्छा, दोनों भी, if both are cos, then you can say this is equal to cos, ये दोनों cos है, next उसके आएगा sin, okay. When it is a plus, both are cos, ये दोनों sin आएंगे. Sin x and sin y, both are sin. If both are sin, तो first sin, that is sin plus sin. Sin plus sin रहेगा तो it will be first sin and then cos. And if it is sin minus sin रहेगा तो first cos and then sin, correct. Otherwise you can just remember cos sin sin cos, cos sin cos sin. It a pattern अपने आप ढूंढो, ये it is not necessary that you follow the pattern that I am telling, okay. So this is going to be, और ये x plus y by 2, this is x minus y by 2. This is x plus y by 2. ये सारा x plus y है. Formulas ऐसे याद रहेंगे ऐसे I'm not saying. I'm saying 2-4 बार if you write them down, you will remember them as it is. It's not difficult. Correct? Easy? There is a pattern. Why I could have written them straight. But if I write down like this, you yourself have to understand that there is a pattern in it. Pattern खुद ढूंढो. अगर ये नहीं तो कुछ और आपको लगता है. But find out the pattern and try to remember the formulas with the help of pattern. याद तो आपको करने ही है. Come what may, you have to remember them. Correct? So then figure out what can be the easiest way to remember. Correct? Now let us find out product to difference or addition. Product to difference मतलब addition, difference to addition. Difference to addition, difference and addition. Okay. देखो first क्या आएगा? It will be 2 cos x cos y. 2 cos x cos y क्या आएगा? This will be cos, दोनों भी cos आएगा, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. अगर आप पिछला वाला देखो पैटर्न मिलेगा आपको, वहां से ये आने वाला है. ओके, दिस इज -2 sin x sin y. ये याद रखना पड़ेगा, सिर्फ इसी को, ओनली दिस वन हैज अ माइनस साइन, रेस्ट ऑल ऑफ देम आर फाइन. x plus y minus cos x minus y. Then we have 2 sin x cos y. This is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. And fourth one we have, this is equal to 2 cos x sin y is equal to sin of x plus y minus sin x minus y. Correct? I hope you guys are getting it. ये formulas आपको करने ही पड़ेंगे. as I said, option 2 आपके पास नहीं है, करने तो पड़ेंगे. कैसे करने? इधर मेरा तरीका अपना लो या फिर अपना तरीका कोई ढूंढो, करने तो आपको पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, चलो. So let's start with one easy example of how to do the integration of trigonometric questions or trigonometric functions. Correct? So we have integration of say cos square x. Abhi just now we saw that cos square x is equal to what? Cos square x is equal to cos 2x plus 1 by 2. So figure out how we are going to do this. So we can write down this is equal to what? This is equal to cos square x dx. Sorry. So कैसे लिख सकते हैं? We can write down this as cos 2x plus 1 by 2. Correct? This can come out as half dx. So okay, integration of cos 2x plus 1 dx. Property we can use, so we can write down half into bracket. This is integration of cos 2x dx plus integration of 1 dx. Correct? This is equal to half. What is the integration of cos x? Cos x का integration आएगा sin x. See, remember last time हमने किया था integration of cos 2x dx. How do you write that? You integrate cos 2x, which will be sin 2x, and divided by derivative of this 2x function, क्योंकि यहाँ पे chain rule नहीं है. So that is how we do it. Correct? This is equal to cos x का derivative आएगा sin 2x divided by derivative of 2x, d by dx of 2x will be 2 plus इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा x, so your final answer will be sin 2x by 4. देखो हाफ इसको भी लगेगा, करेक्ट, दिस हाफ इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर दिस वन एज वेल, so we put it here plus x by 2 plus c, correct, so this becomes your final answer. Perfect. फॉर्मूलाज आने का बेनिफिट ये है कि आप फास्ट कर सकते हो सम्स. ओके, चलो लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ sin 2x cos 3x dx. You have to evaluate this. ये एग्जामिनर लोगों के बहुत फेवरेट सम है, बहुत 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 आते हैं ऐसे वाले सम्स. अच्छा सुनो, एक तो इन्हें देखकर हमको पता है कि हमारे पास एक आइडेंटिटी है. वी हैव एन आइडेंटिटी विच विल हेल्प अस. विच इज दैट आइडेंटिटी, डू यू रिमेंबर? वी हैव वन आइडेंटिटी विच इज सिमिलर, एग्जैक्टली तो नहीं है बट वी कैन मेक इट. विच इज दैट आइडेंटिटी? दैट आइडेंटिटी इज 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is equal to what? थोड़ा, so 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x का फॉर्मूला क्या है? इज इक्वल टू sin x plus y one second. Okay, so the formula is 2 sin x cos y. That's equal to what? That's equal to sin x plus y into plus sin x minus y, correct, plus sin x minus y. जगह कम पड़ रही है, this is becoming too long. One second, I'll write it here in the bracket where we can then use it, correct. What is the formula we have? We have 2 sin x cos y, which is equal to, we have sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, correct. We have this bit. What we do not have is the 2. So we can intercept the 2 here. How we can intercept the 2? So we can say this is integration of 2 by 2 sin 2x cos 3x dx. What did we do? We multiplied and divided by 2. So that's not going to change our equation, okay, value of this, value of the function. This half in the denominator we can bring it out, and then you can write down integration of 2 sin 2x cos 3x dx. Now it looks a little solvable because now we can use this formula, correct. So it is equal to half integration of 2 sin 2x, 2 sin 2x cos 3x is same as 2 sin x cos y. So I can write this as sin x plus y, which is sin 2x plus 3x plus sin x minus y. X minus y is 2x minus 3x. Correct? That means you're going to write this as half integration of sin 5x plus, देखो, this is going to give you what? Sine of minus x. Sine of minus x. Sine of minus x is minus sin x, correct? So this will be integration. See, this is the first kind of sum, so we are doing it so long. ये step आप बीच में ये वाला skip भी कर सकते हो, fine. लेकिन अभी because we are doing it for the first time, so that's fine. So this will going to be sin x dx. I hope everybody is getting it till here, correct? Okay. Then after this, you're going to write down. अभी ये तो we can separate it here, correct? So we can write down half into bracket. We have integration of sin 5x dx minus integration of sin x dx. Now we can write down this as half into bracket sine 5x ka what will be the derivative of sine 5x? The derivative of sine 5x will be cos minus आएगा ये minus cos 5x divided by 5. Why? D by dx of 5x, correct? D by dx of 5x will be 5 minus derivative of sin x again will be minus cos x. So minus minus ये plus हो जाएगा and this will be cos x. And then we can put a plus c here. This half has to be distributed to both. So this will be minus cos 5x by 10 plus cos x by 2 plus c. आप आंसर यहीं पे छोड़ सकते हो, नहीं अगर प्रॉपरली अरेंज करना है आपको तो आप अरेंज भी कर सकते हो. सो लाइक यू कैन डू इट एज cos x by 2 minus cos 5x by 10 plus. Correct? I hope everybody understood this. So this is your final answer. और खुद से भी ट्राई करोगे तो I think that should be better because if you do not try it by yourself anyway, अभी तो आप जब मैं करती हूँ तो क्या है I am using my own thought process and doing it. When you do it, then you use your own thought process and do it. So it is better that you try to do it yourself. Correct? ठीक है, फटाफट कर लो सब लोग. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, so क्या दिया यहाँ पर? So we have integration of, this is integration of sine cube x dx. Sine cube x dx. Direct value we do not have of sine cube x. We have to derive the value of sine cube x. Sine cube x, we had seen sine cube x in triple angle formula. Correct? So in this triple angle formula, what was the triple angle formula for sine? Triple angle formula matlab sine 3x wala formula. So what was that sine 3x? Sine 3x. Sine 3x is equal to what? Sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Correct? अब यहाँ से sine cube तो है, बाकी तो आसान है. So what you can do? So this will, I'll bring this 4 here with exchange places. So this will be 4 sine cube x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Perfect. अब ये 4 नीचे आ जाएगा. So we have sine cube x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x by 4. Now we have the value. तो करना ही कुछ नहीं है. Directly you have to substitute the value in this. So we can write down this is equal to integration of, instead of sine cube, what we will write down? 3 sine x minus sine 3x by 4 dx. 1 by 4 we can take outside the integration. So 1 by 4 integration of 3 sine x minus sine 3x dx. So 1 by 4 inside the bracket we can write down integration of 3 sine x dx minus integration of sine 3x dx. Then this will become 1 by 4. This 3 can come out और आपके पास this will be what? 3 minus cos x. Correct? This will be minus sine 3x. Integration of sine 3x will be minus cos 3x by 3. Correct? dx. Oh, sorry, not dx, plus c. Perfect. Now what you will do? So now we can take this inside. So we can have this is equal to minus 3 by 4 cos x. And this minus and this minus will become plus. And you will have 4 will go inside. This will be cos 3x by 12 plus c. You can leave the answer here. Otherwise, you can arrange it up to you, but you will still get marks if you leave the answer here. This is equal to cos 3x by 12 minus 3 by 4 cos x plus c. Perfect. So either of the answer is correct. Since I have taken this as the final answer, I'm going to mark this. And all, like, you know, the way I'm boxing the answers, or I'm trying to highlight where my answers are. Try to do that in your examination. Then the examiner knows, it doesn't have to search where your answer is. Correct? This question has been done a little differently in the textbook. They have used the substitution method. I'm going to do the substitution method. Yeah, this sum can be done by substitution method. It is, I think, the answer that is given in the question, they have derived it. NCERT है ना, NCERT हमेशा अपना अपना एक खुद आंसर लेके आते हो. So they have solved this 3x. Again, they have substituted 3x further. So we'll see how they have got 3x का. Okay, 1 second. So इसे आंसर नहीं मानेंगे फिर. Okay. So what we are going to do here. So NCERT will keep on solving till, but in the exam, if you do it till here, you will get it. But now still, since we are doing it according to the textbook, we have to match the answers in the textbook. That is why we have to do this sum and see that our answer is correct. Because till the time, see, in the exam, during the exam period, it's not that, you don't know what the answers are there in the marking scheme. बट जब तक आप टेक्स्ट बुक का आंसर मैच नहीं करोगे, तब तक आपको ये भी नहीं पता चलेगा दैट वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग इज राइट और रॉन्ग. सो यू हैव टू मैच द आंसर विद द टेक्स्ट बुक. करेक्ट? सो लेट्स सी हाउ दे हैव डन इट. सो वी हैव टू डू दिस फर्दर. ये फाइनल आंसर नहीं माना जाएगा. सो लेट्स आगे आगे करते इसको. हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस? cos 3x, that means we can find out the LCM here. So this will be what? First of all, let's arrange this. This is equal to cos 3x by 12 minus 3 by 4 cos x plus c. C we can omit for now. Okay, फिर लिखना है तो क्योंकि 3c or whatever you take. So we are going to keep the c like this and we are going to only solve in the bracket. Correct? So यहाँ पे we'll take the LCM. If you take the LCM is going to be 12. So this is going to be minus 3x and this is going to be 9. Correct? 3 3s are 9. So it's going to be 9 cos x divided by 12 plus c. Right? So यहाँ पे 12. So cos 3x का we have one formula. Correct? So from there, if you derive cos 3x, that will be cos 3x का formula क्या है? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and then this will be minus 9 cos x by 12. This will be plus c. Correct? Now we can take this further. इसे कैसे करेंगे? 4 cos x. So this minus 3 cos x and this will become minus 12 cos x. Correct? So it will be 4 cos cube x minus 12 cos x by 12. Correct? Now let us separate it. So it will be 4 cos cube x by 12 minus 12 just plus c cos x by 12. This 12 and this 12 cancelled. This 12 3s are 1s are. So final answer which is matched to the textbook, cos cube x by 3 minus cos x plus c. So this becomes your final answer. हमने अभी ये आंसर NCERT के साथ मैच कर दिया है. So this is how it is. Correct? But in the textbook, or rather in the lesson, we have been taught a method of substitution. So we'll have to do this sum. I'll show you how to do this with substitution. But अगर आपको एग्जाम में substitution याद नहीं आया क्या करने का, ये भी मेथड किया, फिर भी you'll get the answer correct. Okay? So let's do it with the substitution method. So same sum is going to be integration of sine, so by substitution method, correct? Substitution method से आसान जाता है मेरे ख्याल से, it will be very fast. Okay, dx कैसे करेंगे देख. Okay, so we can write this as integration of sine x into bracket sine square x dx, correct? Now sine square x, how we can write down? We can write down sine square x as sine x into bracket 1 minus cos square x dx, correct? That means we can take function cos ले सकते हैं. Let cos x equal t. So therefore cos का डेरिवेटिव कितना आएगा? माइनस साइन एक्स, करेक्ट? माइनस साइन एक्स minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. So this will be what? Dx is equal to dt by minus sin x. So now we can substitute this. कहाँ करेंगे substitute? So this will be integration of sin x into bracket 1 minus t square, क्योंकि हमने cos को किया है, correct? Into minus dt by sin x. This sin x and this sin x cancel. Minus will come out of the bracket. Inside you will have 1 minus t square dt. Correct? Now minus integration of 1 dt minus integration of t square dt. So minus this will be x. Sorry, x not t. Correct? This will be minus t and minus this will be t cube by 3 plus c. Correct? So अभी t का value डालना पड़ेगा because that is how you will get it. So this will be minus t will be minus cos x plus cos cube x by 3 plus c. If you want to arrange, it is going to be cos cube x by 3 minus cos x. Same answer. Yes, we must agree that the substitution method makes it much more easier than remembering the trigonometric functions, correct? Because we got the same answer, but here we had to solve it further to come to this. Here we got it directly, correct? That definitely there are benefits of learning different methods, correct? I hope you guys are getting it. फटाफट कॉपी करो और अब तो हाथ भी साफ हो जाना चाहिए. You must know what you are doing, correct? Getting it? थोड़े बहुत सम्स करेंगे हम लोग for this exercise से and we will see how we can do them. All the sums in the exercise you will know if you practice the functions, correct? ये functions आपको practice करने ही पड़ेंगे. Couple of sums we can try and do them. So try to do it. The next exercise जो आपकी है which is 7.4, correct? 7.4 का introduction, I'll put it up. You'll get it. Try to solve the exercises from the textbook for this. Otherwise, formulas, if you do trigonometry formulas, this is going to be very easy for you, correct? Otherwise, we will solve the questions together and we will, if you have any doubts, we can check them out during doing the exercise. Okay. Chalo, then bye-bye. And please watch the videos for 7.2, 7.1 to understand the chapter better. Derivatives भी देखो एक बार, आपको पता चलेगा कैसे करना है. And in case if any doubts, you can put it in the comments, whatever it is. And yes, I had told you all that I'm going to give you all the important questions for for the chapter. I'm going to give you all important questions about the 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3. Sare important questions I'll be giving you is what I had told you. So let's write down 7.1 के important questions, 7.2 के important questions and 7.3 के important questions. Correct? Question number 7.1. First of all, let's see what are the important questions. 7.1 exercise क्या है? We know what 7.1 exercise is. Correct? So let's write down here important question. 7.1 सिर्फ formulas use करना है. Correct? Only formulas we are using. Important questions. 7.1. 7.1 say you can have important questions is question number 10, question number 13, question number 10, question number 13. Then you have question number 16, question number 18. Then check करो MCQ. Last वाले MCQ तो कर ही डालो because MCQs are very useful anytime. 21 and 22. Correct? This is from 7.1. 7.2 questions के देख लेते. 7.2 का कौन सा important है? 7.2. 7.2 has a lot of important questions, so we can take every alternate भी आप ले सकते हो odd number में. Okay, 3, 5, 7. अच्छी exercise है. 3, 5, 7, 10, 11, फिर 14, then 19. Then these are teachers favorite sums. Board में भी आए हैं काफी बार. 20, 22. It's a big exercise. 22, 26, 29, 22. Then 29. फिर we can do 32, 32, 33, 34. All of them. 32, 33, 34. लंबा exercise है ये. Okay. 39, 39, 38 and sorry 38 and 39 दोनों करो. लास्ट के MCQs है. I always give the MCQs because MCQs अगर आप कर लेते हो तो थोड़ा you know how to work with the whole thing. Correct? And then now let us see what are the important questions in 7.3. 7.3 के important questions लिख लो. That's going to be say question number 3, 4, 6. Question number 3, 4, 6. पैटर्न यू हैव टू चेक द पैटर्न. आप खुद भी निकाल सकते हो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. अगर पैटर्न चेक करो तो 9, 10, 13, 9, 10, 13, फिर 16, 18, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 19, 20, 22. फिर MCQ तो सारे करने हमको 23 and 24. Important questions. To understand important questions, there are two ways. That one way is that it comes with experience, because when you teach, when you do a lot of PYQs, when you do all this, so yes, you come to know. Otherwise, when you're solving the question, when you see different patterns yourself, you realize that this can be an important question. So that's when you understand that I have to focus on such kind of questions. Correct? So this is how it is. Try to do these sums. करना आपको पूरा exercise है. Focus इस पे ज़्यादा करना है थोड़ा. ठीक है? Okay, then I'll see you in the next class. Bye. Bye.